Hi friends, good morning. So today in our next series of interview questions, here we'll see what are the steps are there in activity life cycle, async task. So how this async task can perform, what are the life cycle of this, what are the implemented methods are there in this, that we can check in detail. Means maybe this is also one of the important interview question. What are the means how this life cycle? Life cycle is nothing but it's how this execution process will happens in this completely this. So first of all, in this there are four implemented methods are there. That is on pre-execute, on pre-execute. Next is the do in background, do in background. Next is the do in background. After that, on progress and on post. On progress, update. Then last which is here on post execute. These all are the methods are very important here. This. But what these methods all can do here? See, one by one we'll go through here now. First of all, if it is on pre-execute, this method can run before UI task starts and it's responsible for any setup needs to be done. Means this process can start before executing of this doing background. Means like now I have one registration form or one login form. I entered some data. So once when I'm clicking on this button, before it's connecting to the server, this method can start process to execute. So that is the reason it's just saying that pre-execution. Then what is doing background can do? This can be actual task you want to done. Means what I want to get the data from the server. That data getting done from the server can be done by doing background. This can be done by this. Means this is only the actual thing. So it can run backgroundly, not interact with the user. It's completely, it can be on the background itself. It's never interact with the user. So then what happens? Whenever it's in a background, we need user need to be wait. That waiting we can control from here on progress update, or that same thing we can control here in this. Means the same functionality that we can control from to means on progress, that we can control from either here or here we can control that. So it's a method that on progress execute means it's a method that can be run on the UI thread. Means it shows progress of the task. So like we are loading some animation kind of thing that can be shown in this. Then after this on post execute, last it is. This is method after on the UI task finished. Means once I submitted data, so the submission of data is completed, then this method can be executed. So these all are the main things you can do on this. This means for it has four methods: on pre-execute, doing background, on progress update, and on post execute. These four can be done on this. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Also, in description, please find the links which are related to your these interview questions, course updates, and related apps and all. Please subscribe channel. to get update.